Hello my friends and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another fantastic video from our channel. In this video, you'll see the first ever Peter Pan's flight attraction located in Disneyland, California. This attraction was first opened in 1955. This version seems to be a bit more different and certainly feels bigger as you fly through London than the Walt Disney World version. Now, are you ready to fly through London and the magical Neverland with Peter? If you are, sit back, relax, and enjoy your journey with Peter Pan's flight.
Come on, everybody, here we go! Off to Neverland!
There it is, Ricky. Second start on the right, straight off the wall.
We hope you enjoyed the show and made your day a bit more magical. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more future fantastic videos.